People think YouTube is removing their likes, but that's not actually what's happening. And no, it's not a glitch, and YouTube isn't punishing your channel. The real reason why your YouTube likes are disappearing is way more intentional. And if you don't understand it, you'll keep losing engagement without even realizing it. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why likes aren't showing up on your YouTube videos and the one setting that secretly causes most of the missing likes problem. Stick with me because the twist at the end will change how you look at your YouTube analytics forever. When this first happened to me over 5 years ago, I thought my audience secretly hated my videos. But once I discovered why YouTube removes likes, everything made sense and my engagement actually went up. Number 1. YouTube removes invalid engagement, the reason most YouTube likes disappear. Here's the part nobody tells you. YouTube does not count every like. They only count valid engagement. A like disappears when YouTube thinks it came from a bot, a spam account, duplicate accounts from the same person, users with suspicious activity, people who liked and unliked too fast. Example: if your friend creates a second account just to boost your likes, YouTube filters that out instantly. It's not personal, it's automated. Most beginners think people are unliking my video, but really, YouTube is just cleaning up fake engagement. Number 2. Likes from new accounts or low-trust accounts don't show up. Millions of people watch without ever posting, commenting, or subscribing. These low-trust accounts often have their likes temporarily ignored or removed. Think of it as a credit score. If YouTube doesn't trust the account yet, they don't count the like. Here's where creators get confused. You might see the like number go up in real time, but when YouTube finishes verification, it drops it back down. This is completely normal, and it's the biggest reason creators think their likes are disappearing. Number 3. YouTube delays updating like counters, especially on mobile. Sometimes your like counter didn't actually drop. YouTube just put a delay on real-time updates. Example: you check your video and see 42 likes. Someone else sees 51. You refresh and now it's 47. Is YouTube removing likes? Not necessarily. It's just syncing engagement across devices as the system verifies each like. Fast channels see this a lot. Small channels see it too, but assume something is broken. It isn't. It's just delayed processing. Number 4. The setting that secretly blocks likes from showing up. Okay, this is the part almost nobody knows. If your video is set to Made for Kids, your engagement behaves differently. Sometimes interactions are restricted to protect child viewers. That includes personalized recommendations, certain notification types, limited engagement visibility. YouTube likes can still be given, but they won't always update instantly. If your YouTube likes are disappearing only on videos marked as Made for Kids, this is almost always the reason. Creators miss this because they assume, I didn't make this for kids, but YouTube sometimes auto-detects it incorrectly and flags it anyway. Number 5. When YouTube actually removes likes on purpose. This is rare, but important. YouTube will remove likes if they detect like-for-like groups, engagement pods, mass liking from the same IP address, users liking from embedded players or unauthorized apps, VPN-based spam. If a lot of your likes come from the same pattern, YouTube wipes them in bulk. This can happen instantly or within 48 hours. It's not a penalty, it's just YouTube protecting the integrity of your analytics. The secret metric that matters more than YouTube likes. Here's the insider truth almost no one knows. YouTube doesn't actually use likes to determine whether to push your video. They use viewer satisfaction signals, which include watch time, average view duration, click-through rate, whether viewers save, share, or rewatch, and whether they watch another one of your videos immediately after. YouTube likes help, but they're barely 5% of the equation. So when YouTube removes likes, your video's growth potential does not go down. If anything, the removal protects your YouTube channel from spam signals that would hurt it. This is why some creators with thousands of likes never go viral, and others with 40 likes suddenly explode. Likes aren't the lever, satisfaction is. If this helped you finally understand why your YouTube likes are disappearing and why likes aren't showing up on your videos, hit the like button so this video gets pushed to more creators who need the truth. And subscribe if you want my next video. Trust me, you don't want to miss that one.